How to plank properly for beginners. What single exercise works your core and your entire body strengthens? Your spine, trapezius, abdominal muscles, your rhomboids, and much more. That exercise is the plank. In this video, I will show you how to do plank exercise properly as a beginner. The plank is always touted as the best exercise you can do because it engages large groups of muscles across your entire body. Plus, you can do it anywhere, and it only takes a few seconds or minutes. If you are advanced, although it is generally done to condition the core, it does not just involve your abdominals, but also your legs and shoulders. That is why many fitness experts recommend doing planks daily. The problem with planks is that there is a specific way to do it properly, and it is not as easy as it may seem at first. If you are interested in gaining all the toning benefits of this isometric exercise, make sure you take the time to learn how to plank correctly. Here is how you should begin. Standard plank. Start with a standard plank. Standard plank, also called a high plank, where your arms are straightened out and your hands are flat on the mat instead of your forearms. Forearm planks are more popular but are slightly more challenging to do correctly. You can always try forearm planks and other variations later. To do the standard plank properly, follow these steps. Lie belly side down on a mat. Flex your feet so that your toes are on the mat. Make sure your feet are less than hip width apart. Then place your palms on the mat right beside your shoulders. Take a deep breath before pushing your body up. In straightening your arms, keep your elbow locked to help with your stability. At your highest position, your entire body should make a straight line, so do not let your butts down and make sure your belly is pressed against your spine. Also, keep your head neutral, making sure your chin is not pointing out nor tucked towards your chest. If you get the plank right, you will feel all your muscles engaged at the same time. You probably need to adjust your position if you start getting pain in your back or shoulders. Forearm plank. Forearm plank, although the high plank engages more muscle groups, the forearm plank is the more popular variation because it has better effects on the core muscles. That also means it is more challenging. But if you have learned the high plank and are ready for a challenge, try the forearm plank through the following steps. Lie belly side down on a mat. Keep your feet less than hip width apart, and flex them so that your toes are touching the mat. Instead of your palms, press your entire forearm to the floor and lift your body off the mat. Balance your entire weight between your toes and your forearms. Make sure that your elbows are right below your shoulder. You can clasp your hands together or keep them parallel to each other, as with a high plank. Make sure that your body forms a straight line. Activate your abdominal muscles and keep your butt from sagging down. Also, do not forget to keep your head neutral or you risk hurting your neck. As you hold your plank, pay attention to your breathing. Avoid holding your breath or breathing too shallowly. Try to breathe as normally as you can. Once you learn how to plank correctly, you can start working on duration. In the beginning, 30 seconds might already be challenging, but as it gets easier, keep increasing your planks in 5-second increments. Soon you will find that you can hold it for a whole minute or more, which is when you will benefit from this exercise the most. Try doing this at least 6 times a week and keep challenging yourself. Not only will you be able to continue strengthening your core and tone your stability muscles, but also improve your posture and even your metabolism. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends and please subscribe to our channel.